Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to remove text from a video in CapCut. So for that you just open up your project. I will choose this one, the already existing one. Alright guys, now you just from the very beginning, in my case I have the black screen, so from here I will just choose this black portion of my video to cover that text. So in my case I will just freeze the frame as so. Now a small portion of the video is created. I'm just going to move it up like this. All right, and then press on resize and of course choose the crop ratio. And let's say this is pretty much fine. Maybe make it a little smaller like this and press on confirm. And now guys, you can just choose and resize where you want it to be. So let me see, where is the text? So it ends about here, right? So now I'm just going to paste it like this, as so. Let's say like this, right? And now we can play it back. And as you can see now, that text is missing, right? It's not there. And this is pretty much how you do it, guys. Enjoy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.